Hello to you all. I am Ralph.
I'm Ethan.
And I'm Sarah.
And today is a day where we're going to discuss about meiosis. Anyways, what is meiosis? What does it do? Let's start with gametes. What are gametes, Ethan?
Gametes are male and female haploid germ cells that can be used by the opposite haploid cells. In your case, male or female. It is highly suggested you know male and female gametes. Males have sperm cells and females have egg cells. Gametes have more steps than other cells in your body, which makes us unique and different.
So we know what gametes are. Let's go to Sarah with how meiosis works.
There are two parts to meiosis, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. In meiosis 1, there's prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase 1. In prophase 1, the nuclei will disappear and DNA will copy itself. The spindles will start to form and tetrads are visible during prophase 1. During metaphase 1, tetrads line up the equator and the spindle has formed completely. During this, genetic recombination is occurring. When it reaches anaphase 1, genetic recombination is over. In anaphase 1, the tetrads can pull apart and the chromosomes with the chromatids move toward the pole. Telophase 1 causes the chromosomes with two chromatids will condense and the nuclear envelope will form around them.
As Sarah goes to get some water,
Yeah, water!
I'll explain what happens in meiosis 2. Prophase 2 shows the same results except the chromosomes with the two chromatids become visible as they condense. In metaphase 2, the same chromatids line up in the equator and the spindle is formed. During anaphase 2, the sister chromatids separate and move toward the opposite cell poles. And finally, in telophase 2, the nuclei forms at opposite poles and cytokinesis occurs. As for why we look different, it is because the traits between our mom and dad are very random. If we look the same, we would all pass on the same disease, and we all would die from that same disease. Well, that's meiosis, guys. This is Ralph Eustachio.
Ethan Hubbard.
Sarah Clark.
And this is Meiosis!